Aloha everybody, it's Ashley. Wanted to jump on and share with you my awesome lip exfoliation recipe that is not something I created but something I found on Pinterest. So and I'm using one Molokai ingredient that is super key to this recipe, so wanted to share. Lip exfoliation is key if you wear lip makeup, because when you exfoliate it, it smooths out the lips and kind of conditions it, and then you're gonna follow up and moisturize it so it's all nice and ready for a smooth application of your lipstick or lip stain, whatever you're choosing to wear. Add honey, and I use this Molokai Gold raw honey because it's so super awesome to eat and then also to use in beauty applications. So this is my secret recipe. Just joke, it's not secret. I'm sharing it with you because I love it. Now this is a mixture I have already made. I made this maybe about a month ago and I had it in the fridge, but I took it out and let it set at room temperature so I can go ahead and use it. You see that? That is brown sugar, honey, and coconut oil. The coconut oil will separate and will harden if you put it in the refrigerator, so just bring it back out, let it set to room temperature before you use it, and it's good to go, and it lasts a long time. So you really only need to exfoliate like once or twice a week, and that's it. So this has lasted me forever. So the first thing you want to do when you take it out and get it at room temperature is stir it up. And the brown sugar doesn't break down super quick, so that's a good thing, because the sugar crystals is the actual exfoliation. Coconut oil is to kind of get it all mixed up and add a little moisture, and then the honey has multiple properties on its own as well. Again, because I am using the Molokai Gold raw honey, so the raw honey is the best to use because again it doesn't go through that process that takes away all the nutrients from it. So Molokai Gold is excellent for that. I've been using it for a while. As you can see, I love it so much. It's almost done. I can't even use it in my teas because I use too much honey, and I'm like, oh my god, I don't want to use it all up because I need it. So you mix up your mixture, and this is one of those typical recipes where you really don't need a lot. You're gonna take a little bit and just go ahead and rub it on your lips. You want to go in circular motions to kind of get all the dry and dead skin off your lips.
Okay.
Just like that. Normally I would do it at the sink, but I just got some wet napkins because I didn't want to waste camera time. So now that you have exfoliated your lips, I just leave it on for like 5 minutes or so, or maybe a little bit less, to just kind of let it do its thing and get all the nutrients and stuff on your lips going. And it actually is edible and it tastes good, so try not to eat it. It smells like kankanen. Are any of you Filipino? It smells like that. So every time I put it on, it makes me even hungrier. But what I'm going to do, look at that. So it tastes good. I'm having issues talking like and letting it set. I'm going to pause the camera. I'm gonna go and do some stuff for like 5 minutes, non-talking stuff, because again I can taste it and I'm already hungry because it's about lunchtime. And yeah, so I'm gonna pause it again for just a okay. So it's been about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. You can go to the sink and rinse it off with some warm water, or I'm gonna just use a wet napkin and you just wipe it off really good. I think I got all the sugar, all the oils. I'm going to dry it off. Then you want to go ahead and follow with a chapstick, just something to get it extra moisturized. But as you can see already, it feels soft and it's more luscious, you know what I mean? Like they feel nice. So I'm gonna put this on to follow up, and it's just a little chapstick to moisturize it further. I do this 2 times a week, usually just once, but you know, you can do it 2 times a week too. Other things that can help is if you're hydrated and you also moisturize your lips often. So yeah, that is my little lip tip of the day. I hope that it helps you with your makeup process and makes it a little bit easier. Or even if you don't wear lip makeup, it will help just keep your lips looking healthier and nice. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and like, and also make sure you subscribe. I'll be jumping on and showcasing different Molokai products here and there, so definitely subscribe so that you can be updated on this. Mahalo. Thank you so much for joining me, and ahui ho.